This shirt has already looked shabby. What should we do with it? Should we throw it away? Aha! I got an idea. Hi! Are you ready? Let's prepare the materials. First, a tray and cover it with a plastic. Second, an old t-shirt, cotton is recommended. Third, a squirt bottle, you can make it from a mineral water bottle. Then, a fabric tie-dye color, some rubber bands, some rocks, and last, some plastic gloves. We need to soak the t-shirt. Fill the bottle with the water. Pour the fabric tie-dye color into the bottle of water. Don't forget to close it and give it a little shake. Put on the plastic gloves. Move to the t-shirt. Make a pattern using the rock and the rubber bands. We can make a pattern by wrapping the rock with the fabrics and tie it with the rubber bands randomly. Now we just need to spray the dye according to the place where the rocks are. Now, let it sit for about an hour or more. Now we can untie the rubber bands and take the rocks out. Now we just need to rinse it under the running water. And the last step is just dry it under the sun. This is it! Now your tie-dye t-shirt is ready to wear. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!